He's here! Alexa, dim the light to 10%.
Okay.
Installing Caseta Smart lighting control is easy. You'll need at least one in-wall or plug-in dimmer, a Pico remote, a smart bridge, and the Lutron app. You don't need to worry about bulb types. Caseta works with dimmable LEDs and all halogens and incandescent bulbs. If you're using dimmable LEDs, check out our bulb compatibility list to find the best bulb for your dimmer. Before you start, make sure you have a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and pliers. 3 steps to success. Step 1, install the dimmer. If you're using a plug-in dimmer, just plug it in. If you're replacing a switch, turn off the power to the switch at the breaker. Remove your old switch and install the Caseta dimmer. This takes about 15 minutes. You can find instructions for installing a 3-way switch, 2 or more switches that control one light, at casetawireless.com/support. Step 2. Plug in the smart bridge and connect it to your Wi-Fi router. Step 3. Download the free Lutron app and follow the instructions. If you have Pico remote controls, you can easily add them to your system via the app. Then get creative with personalizing your lighting control. And if you decide you want more dimmers, you can add them whenever you want. Have questions? Call our US-based 24/7 customer support line anytime at 1-844-LUTRON-1. Welcome home to peace of mind.
How to connect a Hue light with dimmer switch to the bridge. For this installation, we'll use a dimmer switch in the Philips Hue app. When you have a light that's already paired with a switch, adding it to your app is a little different than adding a lamp. Let's get started. Open the Philips Hue app and go to Settings. Then select Accessory Setup. Press the plus icon to add an accessory and then select Hue Dimmer Switch. Choose option 2 for a dimmer switch that has already been paired with lights. Press the small button on the back of the switch to activate pairing mode, which pairs your switch with the app. When the switch is discovered, it will search for the lights connected to your switch. Once you've tapped Done, you can assign the dimmer switch to work with the room you select here. You can even name and control your dimmer switch inside the Philips Hue app. Now you can rename and configure your dimmer switch with your app. Hue Personal Wireless Lighting. Innovation in you. Philips.
Tips. Must use 2.4G Wi-Fi to set up. Ensure that the Wi-Fi signal is good. Open your Gosund app. Sign in to your Gosund account. Tap on Add Device or tap on the plus sign. Tap on Switch Wi-Fi on electrician line. Enter your 2.4G Wi-Fi name and password correctly. Tick Confirm indicator rapidly blink. Tap on Next. Waiting till it configures from 1 to 100%. You can control your switch now. Main connecting steps in easy mode.